friends, welcome back to ABS Tech channel. In this video I'm going to show you the live price prediction of Vechain cryptocurrency in a crypto market. So before starting this video, kindly subscribe my channel for more latest news and update. Don't forget to subscribe, click the subscribe button now. Thank you so much. As you can see now on the screen, that is the live price prediction of Vechain holders. First of all, I congrats all Vechain holders. Now currently the Vechain holders are going up and they are soon a millionaire. There is no doubt. As you can see here, the graph is going up, so it's a time of Vechain holders. As you can see, the change as a positive 0.16% change in a Vechain cryptocurrencies in a previous last 1 hour. As you can see here, the high price of Vechain in a previous 1 hour is $0.090017. Dollar is the high price of Vechain holders. As you can see here, that is the live price prediction of previous 1 hour, as you can see here. And now the current price of Vechain is $0.08978. Dollar is the high price of Vechain cryptocurrencies, and the Bitcoin price of Vechain cryptocurrency in 0.000002 is the Bitcoin price of Vechain cryptocurrencies. So thank you so much for watching this video. Kindly don't forget to subscribe my channel for more latest news and update about cryptocurrency market.